Do you want to enhance your JavaScript coding experience in VS Code? Well, you're in the right place. VS Code offers a plethora of extensions that can greatly enhance your JavaScript coding experience. Today, we delve into some of the most useful extensions specifically tailored for JavaScript development. First up, we have ESLint. This extension integrates the popular JavaScript linting utility, ESLint, into VS Code. It's a handy tool that helps you identify and fix problems in your JavaScript code, ensuring adherence to coding standards and best practices. Next, there's Prettier, code formatter. A code formatter that supports various languages, including JavaScript. This extension automatically formats your code according to predefined rules, ensuring consistent code style across your project. For those working with web applications using JavaScript, the Debugger for Firefox extension is a must. It allows you to debug your code directly in the Firefox browser from within VS Code, offering features like breakpoints, step-through debugging, and variable inspection. Then we have the Microsoft Edge tools for VS Code. These are powerful browser-based developer tools that allow you to debug and diagnose issues in your web applications running in Microsoft Edge. Next in line is the JavaScript ES6 Code Snippets extension. Snippets are a great way to improve productivity by allowing you to quickly insert commonly used code patterns. This extension provides a collection of ES6 JavaScript code snippets, helping you write code faster. For those working with Node.js projects, the Node.js Modules IntelliSense extension provides intelligent code completion for Node.js modules, making it easier to import modules and explore their APIs. The Path IntelliSense extension is another time saver. It auto-completes file names and paths in your code, reducing errors when referencing files or modules. GitLens, Git Supercharged, while not specific to JavaScript, is an invaluable tool for version control within VS Code. It enhances the built-in Git functionality, providing features like blame annotations, code lens, and more. Quokka.js is a live scratchpad for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js, providing real-time feedback on your code as you type. A great tool for experimenting with code snippets and quickly testing ideas without leaving your editor. Lastly, we have Live Server. If you're working on web development projects, this is a handy extension that launches a local development server with live reload capability. It simplifies the process of previewing and testing your web applications as you code. These are just a few of the many extensions available for JavaScript development in Visual Studio Code. Depending on your specific needs and workflow, you may find other extensions that suit your requirements as well. So, go ahead and explore these tools to enhance your JavaScript development experience in VS Code.